All right, we have one last graph that we are going to write our piecewise defined function for, and this one has line segments in it. So it's not going to just be x is greater than 1, but there'll be a finite interval for both of these. So let's start by figuring out what that is. So this is x equals -4, and this is x equals -1. So this one goes from x equals -4 to x equals -1. So we'll do that right there. And then this one here starts here at x equals 2 and goes over to x equals 5. So that second piece is going to be 2, x is between 2 and 5. Okay. All right, so next step, let's see if we can figure out this slope. This looks like it goes over 1 and up 3. So I get m is equal to 3 here. And I think it's going to be pretty difficult to continue drawing this line to find that y-intercept. So I'm going to use this point instead. This point has the coordinates -1, 4. And I'll use that point slope form. So y minus 4 is equal to 3 times x minus a -1, which makes it x plus 1. And then I do need to solve for y here. So you get y is 3x. And it will be plus 3. And then if I move that 4 over, it'll be plus another 4. So plus 7 altogether. So this first function is 3x plus 7. All right, and then let's look at this second piece. So if I start here, trying to find like 2 good dots, that one's right on a edge there. So it looks like it goes down 3 and over 2. So that'll be -3/2. And then I'm going to use a point here. I feel like this would be kind of difficult to draw again. So let's use this point. That point is 2, 1. So I have y minus 1 is equal to -3/2 times x minus 2. So y is -3/2 x plus 3, and then I'll move that 1 over, so plus 1. So I have a -3/2 x plus 4. All right, and that gives you your piecewise defined function for this particular graph.